Hello, Sauce Squad. Are you ready to set the business world ablaze? I'm Eva Wolf, and we're about to crank up the heat in the Business Sauce podcast with episode 2. Start to kick the game. Are you ready? Okay, there is your spicy tips. Identify one area where your business can innovate or disrupt the norm. Take bold, calculate risk to stand out from the competition and accelerate your journey to success. It's not just about playing the game, it's about rewriting the rules. But we are not here for the mild, we're here for the bold. So grab your jalapenos and let's spice up your business journey with some actionable steps. Step 1. Define your game plan. In it, the strategy. Craft a game plan that's not just a roadmap, but a roaring flame. It's very important. A lot of people think that they will have a business plan, they will have a roadmap, and everything will be okay. But it doesn't work like that. It's not just having a business plan, it's not just having a roadmap. It's all about strategy. So identify your goals with the precision of a seasoned chef. What's your end game? What secret ingredients will you sprinkle along the way? Ask yourself this question and identify a zone where your business can revolutionize the game. The most important in this episode is to find a way to kick the game, okay? You want to kick the game, you want to be different. You just don't want to be another business owner, another business leader, another companies, like a basic company. You want something special and you want to kick the game, but not only, you want to kick the competitor game. Number one, being number one, it's your goal. It should be your first goal ever. So your game plan may be, I want to be number one in my industry. I want to be recognized in my industry. So it's time to rewrite the playbook and set your own rules. And you want to be a little fish in the deep ocean. I don't know if you ever hear about the blue ocean strategy, so I will do like a little highlight, if not. So basically, the Blue Ocean Strategy is a book published in 24. And this book argues that consumers don't have to choose between value and affordability. So I will make it more simple. If a company can't identify what consumers currently value and then rethink how to provide that value, differentiation and low cost can both be achieved. This is a value innovation. I will give you an example. For example, Airbnb strategy includes process innovation where they don't own any properties, but provides customers and sellers with a platform through which they can serve both parties. No one does that. Okay, you got it? I will give you another example with Tesla. So Tesla, the American electric vehicle and energy company, has also used Blue Ocean strategy to achieve significant growth and success. So the example with Tesla is the company's focus on creating high-performance luxury electric cars, and no one else does that in the US. It's just another example, and it's big companies example. So my advice will be read the book, and you will understand why I'm speaking about being a little fish in this big ocean, this big blue ocean. Because really, if you have the value innovation, you will finally kick the game because it's just you on the market. So you have to find a way to be the market and not to be a part of the market. Does that make sense for you? You want to be special. You want to be this fish in the big ocean. You want to be alone in all this blue water. You don't want to have all these people around eating in your same cake. Yeah, in French, we speak about cake. Picture this, okay? The market is your cake. You want to share your cake, but also you're hungry, so you want to have more pieces than others. Anyway, I think I will stop with French metaphor because I will lose your mind before the episode 10. So let's jump on the step 2. Unleash your creativity. Sizzle with innovation. We spoke about the innovation, so now you have all this idea to make it different. So you have to create your own culinary masterpiece. You can't just follow the recipe. Ignite your creativity and bring forth ideas that sizzle and pop. Make it happen, make it different. The business world is your playground. Make some noise. If people start to speak about you, to speak about yourself, the first part of the game is win. And you want to be a winner. You don't want to be a loser. And remember that the fast lane is where the game changers thrive. So flame on. Step 3. Set audacious goals. Think big, spicier, and bolder. Set goals that not only make you sweat, but demand attention. Break them down into mouth-watering, bite-sized tasks. A dash of audacity is what separates the bland from the extraordinary. Remember that. And I start to be hungry. I don't know you, I don't know what time is it in your day, but I want to cook something right now. Anyway, upgrade your strategies, refine your approach, and leave the competition scrambling to catch up. You can't be scared about competition. You have to love competition to win. It's a game. You want to win the game. Remember, this is all a game, and you playing the game. Success favors the bold, and we're here to turn those bold moves into blazing victories. Let's jump on the step 4. Master the art of execution. We can say, eat up the action. This episode is a lot about cooking. I mean, in the first episode, I wasn't really speaking about cooking and I didn't really put a spicy thing. So I was like, okay, this episode will be super spicy. It will be super hot. And I hope right now you're super hot and exciting about these steps because it's the steps to win the game. Okay, remember, again, you want to start to kick the game. So there we are. Ideas are the spices. Execution is the fire. And now you want to be on fire. Develop a bias for action, steer the pot, and serve with precision. Consistent focused action is the secret sauce to kicking the game. And you want to kick the game, remember? Okay? So get ready for stories that will set your entrepreneur spirit ablaze. When you will take action for your business, you have to learn from every move. Every move is a flavor, every stumble a lesson. Embrace the learning curve, analyze your concoction, and adjust your recipe. It's why really I start to create the Business Sauce podcast because I wanted you to realize that you don't have a good way to make an incredible dinner. You can make an incredible dinner with very cheap ingredients if you make it with your heart. It's all about making it with your heart. If you put your heart into your business, into your company, into your project, if you start from zero, if you put your heart into it and you believe in it, I promise you it will work and it will be worthy because you don't want to put all this energy into it and just be tired of it. You don't want to just be tired. You want to improve and start to being a master chef. You don't want to be a glassy and wash glasses all your life. You want to be a master chef. You want to have a spicy challenges faced. And it starts today with a resilient mindset and a commitment to improve you into a master chef. So buckle up. So squad, this is the Business Sauce Podcast episode 2. Start to kick the game and I will say see you soon, 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 soon. To the next episode. Love you. Bye.